Hey you guys, welcome to Jeep Sheep TV. This will be quick. I just want to share with you how my weekend's been going, because it's been kind of sucky, and you can take pleasure in my misery. So, first of all, my other car, which is out in the driveway, oh, that's the garage door. Anyway, my other car, which is out in the driveway, is a Ford Focus. It's 2012, so it's got all sorts of fun computer stuff on it, and it has some short in the wire harness, causing it to not allow me to start the car, and I can't seem to find the short. So I've got my main reliable car, the Ford Focus, down, and my actually reliable car, the Jeep, is leaking profusely out of the brake wheel cylinder, and the rear axle. I mean, like, leaking a lot. See? That's like a couple days of driving. Anyway, leaking a bunch. And so I come in here and I tear it all apart. And of course, when you have a wheel cylinder that's been in there probably since the beginning of time, the brake line does not want to come out of there. And so what I did was I used fire to heat up the cylinder, and I got it all real toasty, and I grabbed some snow and dropped it on the brake line to make this real cold, and she popped right out. But it's never that easy, ever. So the brake line itself is super duper seized, and the threaded part is not spinning freely from the tube part. So I had to take the entire friggin' thing, undo it from over there, and fish it out with the master cylinder installed, and then twist that, or not the master cylinder, the wheel cylinder installed, and twist that off. Well, I still can't get this thing to come apart, so we're going to have to do that whole thing, but in reverse, put it on here, and then thread it all back in there. But I had no way to tighten it because I had stripped this thing out into all oblivion. And so now it was a 3/8, now it's a 5/16 because I set it on the little grinder there for a little bit and changed the size of this guy. So, yeah. Currently 2 cars that don't run at like 10 o'clock on a Sunday is not a good situation to be in. So we're going to use a couple unorthodox tactics to get this guy back in and drive the Jeep to work tomorrow. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Thanks for watching. Love y'all, I guess. Bye. Yeah, that's right. I welded it because I broke it. Got it in there. Still was too much stress. Snapped the tube. Here I am, welding a brake line back together. Not a recommended procedure, but it might just get me by. Don't worry, I've got new brake lines in the mail, but gotta get this one on the road tonight.